Today you are going to learn how to sell on Etsy, step by step in 2026. If you want to make money online selling digital products or physical products, this video is for you because a lot of people start on Etsy with excitement. They open a shop, they upload one product, and then nothing happens. No views, no clicks, no sales, and they quit. But the problem is not Etsy. The problem is the strategy. So in this video, I will show you how to do it the right way, step by step. Let's start step 1. Create your account. Go to Etsy, sign up using your email, then click on Sell on Etsy now. You will start setting up your shop. Choose your shop name. This is important. Your name is your brand. Make it short, easy to remember, and easy to spell. Avoid long names or confusing words. Now select your language, your country, and your currency. Good. Now step 2, create your first listing. This is where most people fail because your product page is everything. If your listing is bad, you will not get sales. So let's do it right. Start with the title. Your title needs keywords. Think like a buyer. What would someone type to find your product? Use those exact words. For example, instead of modern aesthetic printable wall, art say wall, art printable, minimal design simple, clear searchable. Now images to his is one of the most important parts. People do not read first, they look first. If your images look bad, they will not click. Use good lighting, clean background, high quality. If possible, show the product from different angles or in real use. Now the description, keep it simple. Explain what the product is, what the buyer gets, and how to use it. Do not write complicated text. Make it easy to understand. And now pricing. Do not guess your price, search similar products. See what others are charging and stay competitive. Do not go too cheap because cheap looks low quality. Now step 3, set up payments. Add your payment method, then add your billing information. Now your shop is ready. But here's the truth. Opening a shop is the easy part. Getting sales is the real game. So now let's talk about how to get traffic, because traffic equals sales. If no one sees your product, no one buys. The main source is Etsy search. So you need keywords. This is called SEO, but keep it simple. Use real words that people search. Add those words in your title, your tags, and your description. Now, next strategy, upload more products. Do not upload one and wait. That does not work. You need volume. The more listings, the more chances to get found. Now, let's talk about digital products. If you are a beginner, this is the best option. Why? Because you create once and sell many times. No shipping, no inventory, no stress. Examples, printables, templates, plan, Enier's designs. Now physical products also work, but they need more work. You need inventory, shipping, and logistics. Now let's talk about consistency. This is key. Most people give up too fast. They post for 1 week and quit. That is not enough. You need to stay consistent. Upload, improve, test, repeat. Now see customer service. Very important. Answer messages fast, be polite, be helpful. Good reviews will grow your shop. Bad reviews will hurt it. Now let's talk about mistakes. Mistake 1, bad images. Mistake 2, no keywords. Mistake 3, only one product. Mistake 4, no consistency. If you avoid these, you are already a hit. Now let's answer the big question. Can you make money on Etsy in 2026? Yes, but only if you treat it like a real business, not a quick trick. You need good products, good presentation, and smart strategy. After this, you now understand how to sell on Etsy step by step from zero to your first sales, and that is how you start the right way in 2026.